So sourcing recipes for personal, one of the great things is you can take this opportunity to make money for yourself, because you're already buying for the wire services if you are a shop that's facilitating wire services. So you know you have to have that product. So the best way for me to do it, going into especially now getting ready for a holiday, is I'm looking at what recipes and product I need to fulfill for the wire services, and how can I reinvent that same product to sell out my front door without having to have double costs on purchasing flowers for wire service versus my business.
Thank you for tuning in to Floreology's YouTube channel. If you liked the video you just watched, please give it a thumbs up.
And for more information on Floreology, log on to www.floreologyinstitute.com. And if you want to subscribe, click the button.